The following preview has been approved for appropriate audience. Motion pictures created by Bytes Crafter. Watching videos is advised. Visit our website for more videos. www.bytescrafter.com.
Hello guys, today we will unbox the PS650 of Corsair. Let's on guys, let's start and join me as we unbox this quality product of Corsair. Choose this product instead of buying the cheap one, which is ranging from $25 or in peso it is 1,500, is I invested on this power supply because I experienced issues with this cheap power supply. My previous power supply for my workstation, which is Deepcool 500, and I experienced power outage. Also, this power supply is 80 plus. So 80 plus silver, as you can see. The meaning of this 80 plus is it is a voluntary certification of power supply, meaning that this power supply will 80% efficient. For example, this power supply is getting 100% from the grid or the utility, and 20% is lost from the transformation of AC to DC. If you're worrying that the wiring of the PSU is a little bit short, like this Deepcool, expect that this Corsair has a longer cable. The wiring of this PSU will have enough cable to personally manage your cable. For example, you will have to put your cable hidden behind the casing if you have a pole tower. I myself don't have a problem with that. this PSU BS650, so I have a total, let's say I have a 600 watts of pure power that I can harness within this PSU. And as you can see, we have from the video, we have the ATX cable, which is ×1 of course, and EPS or ATX 12 volt, which is commonly connected to the motherboard to power the CPU. So CPU has its own power line. And the next thing is the PCIe. So we have two of it, which can be connected if you have two graphics card. And also you have a SATA connectors. We have 7 of it in this power supply, and we also have an old peripheral connectors, older than SATA. So we have 2 of it, and for some reason the manufacturing also included the floppy connector, and I don't know why they include it, but that's their product. And the next thing is, let's see, so as you can see here, if the camera can focus this, we can harness 624 watts to the board, and the we have 130 watts that will be excess, that will be used by other components, and 15 watts and 3.6 watts. I just bought 2 years ago. I bought this Aerocool power supply DE500, which is posted on my YouTube channel as unboxing. But unfortunately, my footage is not complete in that video, and I gather lots of bad feedbacks, and many of you got angry with me. This cheap power supply gave me many issues with my workstation. For example, I have lots of hard disk drive. I have 2 hard disk drive, and I have 2 SSD, which is the Intel SSD and the regular SanDisk SSD. And for some reason, the power supply can support all of it, even though I only have i3 and about 4 gigs of ×4, which is a Kingston 4 gig 16 megahertz 1600 megahertz. But for some reason, this power supply can barely support the power that my motherboard or my workstation want to use. As you can see from here, the rated power is 350 watts, and the peak power is 550. For how many days I've been testing this PSU, the Corsair's BS650, and I've been testing it on my workstation number 2, which has an i7 about 120 watts, and Asus Strix 960 GT 960, which uses the PCIe power cable of the PSU. And also I have 8GB Kingston 2000 megahertz, which is times 4 of that, and 1 Seagate hard disk 1TB. So I did play GTA, Just Cause 3, and did some CPU benchmarking and stress test. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and hope to please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and please leave a thumbs up, and see you guys next time.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click subscribe. More to come. Click here to play this video.